Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to use quick share between Android and iPhone. Here's a quick overview. Number 1. Prepare both devices. Number 2. Share and receive the file. Let us get started. At step number 1, prepare both devices. Ensure that the Quick Share app is installed on both devices. For this demonstration, the Android device will be used as the sender, while the iPhone will be the receiver. Step number 2. Share and receive the file. On your Android device, select the photo you wish to share. Press and hold the photo. Then tap Share and choose Quick Share. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Then select Use QR Code. On your iPhone, open the camera app and scan the QR code displayed on the Android device. Tap the link that appears and wait for the transfer to complete. Once the file has been received, you can choose to save, share, or download it to your device. And that is how to use Quick Share between Android and iPhone. And hey, for disclaimer purpose only, the stuff shown in this video are based on an Android phone and may vary slightly depending on your Android device, iPhone model, and software version. Some features may not be available in all regions or require the latest app updates to work properly. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions for us to answer? Please drop them in the comments below. We are happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.